Welcome class 9 students in the physics class and to your friends, those whose parents have not allowed them in the offline classes. I welcome them in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Today in the physics class we are going to discuss and I will explain the derivation of potential energy and the derivation of expression of potential energy, and followed by we'll see some numericals based upon the topics which we have discussed and I have taught you earlier, that work, calculation of work in three different conditions, kinetic energy, and now the topic which I am going to explain, that is potential energy. The very first we have to understand what is potential energy. Now, the word potential you use literally in your language. आपने सुना होगा जैसे किसी कोई बच्चा स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छा है तो उसको बोला जाता है कि हाँ इस बच्चे के पास बहुत अच्छा पोटेंशियल है रनिंग का। कोई क्रिकेट खेलता है तो उसका बॉलिंग पोटेंशियल बहुत ही अच्छा है, या कोई समवन इज वेरी गुड इन ओरेटिंग स्किल, वो बहुत अच्छा है, उसके पास एक बहुत अच्छा पोटेंशियल है, वो स्टेज पर बहुत अच्छा बोल सकता है। तो ये पोटेंशियल से आपके दिमाग में, आपके समझ में क्या आता है बच्चों?
कैपेसिटी,
कि उसकी क्षमता क्या है। कोई बहुत तेज दौड़ता है तो उसकी पोटेंशियल क्या है? दौड़ने में बहुत अच्छा है। कोई किसी का आर्ट में बहुत अच्छा है। तो पोटेंशियल से हमको समझ में आता है क्षमता। एक्चुअली दिस क्षमता और कैपेसिटी रिमाइंड्स अस द टर्म एनर्जी। तो जो पोटेंशियलिटी और पोटेंशियल की बात करते हैं वो स्टोर रहता है। जैसे कृष का अगर कहेंगे तो इसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड बहुत अच्छा है। मैंने मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशन के अनुसार दैट हिज IQ इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो किसी चीज को बहुत तेज पकड़ता है तो उसकी पोटेंशियलिटी उसमें कि कम्स हियर प्रिपेयर्ड बिफोर हैंड एंड ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व इन द टॉपिक। तो वो चीज वहां क्या है? उसका स्टोर है। तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मींस एनर्जी क्या है? किसी जगह पर स्टोर है बिकॉज ऑफ प्लेस एंड पोजीशन ऑफ ए
बॉडी।
तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? द एनर्जी possesses in a body because of its place or position. Now, for example, suppose this my hand is the level of the table. I keep this book here. So it has no energy. But if I raise this book up to some height, and as I leave it, what happens? It falls. Because it possesses some energy. And in the earlier classes we have discussed that amount of energy possesses in a body is equal to amount of
work
done by that body. By this basic concept we have also calculated and find out the formula or expression of kinetic energy. By the same method we are going to calculate the formula of potential energy. Here we will take example of a body. Suppose this body is on the ground. Let a body of mass m is on the ground. This body is raised up to height h from A to B. From A to B. Then we have to calculate what amount of energy is stored because of its position, because of its place. Okay. Now, let a body of mass m is raised up to height h from A to Now, when I raise this body from A to B, this body has done some work. And now what we have to do? We have to calculate the amount of work done by this body in raising from A to B. And that amount of work is equal to
energy
total energy possesses in that
body.
Okay. Since work done by a body
Against gravity.
is equal to
mgh.
energy possesses in it. Now, work is equal to force into displacement. Okay. From second law of motion,
Second law.
second law of motion, F is equal to
Mass
m
into
into
acceleration.
A. In this condition, when a body is raised vertically, this acceleration is equal to acceleration due to
Gravity.
So this A is equal to G. G is the
Acceleration due to gravity.
Gravity. Okay. And this is S represent the displacement.
Displacement.
So here the body has raised vertically, that is equal to
Height.
height. So the work is equal to mg into
H.
h, and by this concept the potential energy is equal to mg and h. So this is the derivation of the formula of
Potential
energy. Now I will take some numericals, the first from NCERT book, and then if you have some further doubt, then I will take numericals from other book also. Work and so one more topic, power is left. वही पढ़ना है ना हमको बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, पहले हम इस पर कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स पढ़ लेंगे बच्चों, ठीक है? Now please open your book at page 152. NCERT page 152. There is a numericals. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second is 25 joule. You got this question?
Yes, sir.
Now again I am going to read out at one page at 152. Open your book at page 152. The kinetic energy of an object of mass m. What is your given? This is question number 3. Question 3. Mass is equal to m. Kinetic energy is given
25 G.
25 joule. 25 joule. One more thing is given. Moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. V is equal to
5 meter per second.
5 meter per second. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled? What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is increased 3 times? So there are 2 questions. We have to find the kinetic energy when velocity becomes double. We have to find the kinetic energy when the velocity becomes
Triple.
3 times. Okay. So to find out the kinetic energy in these conditions, we have to find out the mass from these 3 information.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the basic formula of kinetic energy?
Half and
Half
mv square.
mv square is equal to kinetic
Energy.
Okay.
Yes.
So half into m, v is equal to
5.
5. 5 square is equal to kinetic energy is
25.
equal to
25.
20. So m is equal to 25 into, here it is dividing, then it will
Multiply.
5 square is multiplied, then it
25.
will divide. 25 cancel, so m is equal to
2
kg.
2
kg.
kg. Okay. Now KE1, when the velocity is
Double.
Here v is equal to 2 into
5.
5, that is equal to 10 meter per second. That is equal to half into m is equal to 2 and that is equal to 10 square. 2 to cancel, that is equal to 100
Joule.
Again, now v is equal to 3
3
into
into 5.
5, that is equal to 15 meter per second. So the condition 3, the KE 2 is equal to half into that is equal to m which we have calculated earlier,
Yes.
and v square is equal to
15
square. 2 and 2 cancel. That is equal to 225
joule.
These are the two answers which we need to
Find out.
calculate. So your answer will be 100 joule and 225 joule. Okay.
Yes.
So please note it down. After that, I will take some more numericals from the end of the chapter, or I will explain power and conservation of energy. Till then, all the best. God bless you. Welcome, class 9 students, in the physics class and the e-learning class of our St. Nicholas Academy. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss and I will explain and solve some numericals from NCERT book based on the topic work and energy. I am going to take question number 4 at page 158. Work and energy. Page 158, question number 4. This is from NCERT. Now it tells us certain force acting on a 20 kg mass changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 2 meter per second. Calculate the work done by the force. Certain force acting on a mass is equal to 20 kg. The force is acting. Now its kinetic energy 1 is equal to 5 meter per second, 5 meter per second, and then kinetic energy 2, that is equal to 2 meter per second. Certain force is applied, then there changes has observed in that body of its kinetic energy. Initially it was 5 joule होगा ये.
So it's velocity.
Velocity is initial velocity was 5 meter per second, and after that its velocity was observed 2 meter per second. So what question is asked? Calculate the work done by that
Body.
force. Calculate the force
Work done by the force.
acting on a body. Velocity changes, work done. Now please remind when I derived the formula of kinetic energy. I assume that a body is moving with initial velocity v, and an opposing force was applied, and after covering certain distance it stops. So a boy was also raised question कि why we assume initial velocity as v. मैंने बताया कि ये परंपरा में है. So what I have done, I have calculated the work done by that body in moving from A to
B.
B. The same thing we will do here. Okay. The difference of the work done is equal to the amount of kinetic energy, or that work done is equal to kinetic energy, or the energy possessed by body is equal to
Kinetic.
work done. Okay. Work done is equal to KE1 minus KE2.
Yes, sir.
Now that is equal to half MB1 square minus half MB2 square. We'll take half M as common. V1 square minus
V2.
V2 square. M is equal to
20.
20, and V1 is equal to 5 square minus
2 square.
2 square. 2 10 ja. 10 into
25 minus
25 minus
4.
4. 10 into
21.
that is equal to
210.
210
Joule.
Joule. Okay, because they, in that case we assume that body has stopped. So certain kinetic energy is 0 is equal to that much of kinetic energy. वही फार्मूला मैंने यहाँ ये किया. समझ में आ गया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
अब हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन और लेते हैं. This is the question number 10. Question number 10. An object of mass for this question you understood or not?
Yes.
Once more I will explain. You want to explain कर दो.
So समझ आ गया.
समझ में आ गया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
An object of mass 40 kg is raised to a height of 5 meter above the ground. An object of mass 40 kg